We are living inside the age of the employee. How do we turn our workplace into a destination where employees want to come? From there, it's about once the coworker comes into the space, it's about how do we make it a place where they feel safe? And not only are they safe there, but they actually feel that they're safe as well. And a lot of that has to do with, let me find a space, let me look on my phone and find a space that has the right decibel level, the right noise level, because today I need a little bit of energy and I want someplace a little bit louder. Or I really have some focused work and it needs to be quieter for today. And when you pull all that together, we're able to quickly see what types of space is being utilized, what employee groups are coming in, and then be able to then go and identify the areas that are performing well, the areas that are not. You're able to go and invest in more spaces, more sorts of investments that lead to that better result and enable employees to get their best work done.